That's why I wrote you a letter, cause you see I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, my name is Denise and thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today I'm going to be doing something I've never done before. I've never flocked. I've never bought anything flocked, and I'm sure that everyone who's watching this video knows exactly what I'm talking about. But I bought everything that I would need. I am actually going to be doing 2 plain wreaths that I bought off of Amazon, and by the way, everything will be listed in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I bought the flocking snow, and I bought these little sifters for the flocking snow. So I also have Lucas here. He's awake and alert and ready to participate, so he's gonna be helping me, allegedly. And yeah, let's get started. If the wreaths turn out great, then I'll do my tree as well. But yeah, I'm really excited to see what it's gonna turn out like, because I don't really want to pay for anything flocked because sometimes it can be really pricey, and these were not expensive at all. So if it goes to hell in a handbasket real quick, like real quick, then I'll just cancel the whole thing and just say I gave it a shot. So let's get into it.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed.
Right, you shake.
Shake.
No. Oh. Wait, Lucas. Wait, you should. Come on in.
Over here.
No, you can't just dump it. You have to shake. Look, shake it. Shake. Yeah.
Mommy, dump it.
No, you can't dump it.
That I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
Okay, so here's the first wreath. I think that it is okay. It's a little bit heavy in some spots and a little bit of nothing going on in others. So maybe I'll try to church it up a little bit, because I did let Lucas participate. And you know, when kids start doing things they've never done before, they get a little bit too excited. And so yeah, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more here and there, and I may do the second one because I want to do a mailbox swag, and I also want to do use one for a DIY wreath. Hey y'all, so it's been like maybe 2 days later since Lucas and I did that whole flocking of the 2 swags that I bought, And I originally thought that I was gonna make a mailbox swag and a wreath, but right now I'm just feeling confident making the wreath. I don't have everything that I would like to use for the mailbox swag, so if I still continue to want to make that, then I'll buy some more stuff, or I don't know, maybe I just won't do one this year. So just make sure you are subscribed if you are interested in seeing what I'm gonna do with our front porch, because I do plan on decorating that for Christmas. But yeah, let's get into decorating this wreath. So really quickly, I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I have, and then we're gonna get into decorating it. Okay, so I have my wreath here that I used for my spring wreath. I'll have that video linked in the cards if you are interested and you're new here on what I did for my spring DIY wreath. I have some fairy lights, a few picks that I will use. Again, I don't know what I'm doing because I've never done it. This is the frosted or flocked swag piece that I'm going to be using on the wreath, and this is the bow. This is the bow that I used in springtime, and I hope to incorporate this somehow. I still think it's pretty cute, and yeah, we'll just see how it turns out. So let's just get started.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging. up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I hope that you all made it this far and stayed to the end, because I do think that I am going to show you guys what it looks like at night, and I'm gonna hang it on my door. But I'm definitely not decorating my front porch in this video, but I think it came out really cute. I definitely would put the fairy lights on first if I ever do this again, because it was a little bit tricky getting them in and trying to hide it as best as I could. These are waterproof, so yeah, I'm really excited about how it looks. It's really pretty. Let me see if I can get an above shot for you guys. Okay, so that's what it looks like up above, and it's really cute. I do wish that I could find a way to put another red flower and it not look too overdone, but I think the little pop of red actually works out really well. So let's see what it looks like at night, and I'm gonna say my goodbyes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly hope that you enjoyed it and it got you in even more Christmas spirit. Like I said, this was just something to do for fun. I needed something for my front door because the wreath that I was going to use I put into my loft space, so I needed to create something. And like I always say, if you can't pay, create. Or if you just want to do it yourself and you want to be creative, by all means DIY it. Like I said, if you enjoyed, show it by giving this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Turn that notification bell on so that you'll never miss an upload from me. And I'll see you in my next video.
We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about guests.